Geography vocabulary for kids. Sky. The sky is blue in color and it is far away from earth. Land. The surface of the earth is called land. Forest. The large area filled with many trees is called forest. Rainforest. A rainforest is an area of tall trees and a high amount of rainfall. Mountain. A landform that is higher than the surrounding land. Desert. A large area of land in a hot region where there is almost no water, rain, trees or plants. River. A river is a flowing stream of water that leads to the sea, a lake or another river. Waterfall. A waterfall is a place in a river where water spills suddenly downward. Sea. Seas are large bodies of salt water that are connected to oceans and they are surrounded by land. Island. An island is a land that is surrounded by water. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.